Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPhone 13 Pro. First of all, go into App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then choose Allow All Access, tap on Allow, and choose Got It on iPhone. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on an Android, and then go with receive on Apple device. Now choose send on an Android and click on all of those dots in order to send all of those files. Then click send, but I don't want to do that because it will take a while, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on iPhone. Then choose OK and point your device's camera at the code. Then click on OK. And as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!